Dear law student, I want to talk to you about my first exam in law school and let you know that you will be okay. My name is Marco Brown. I own Brown Family Law in Salt Lake City. And I remember my first exam in law school was property, which was also my first ever class in law school too. So I had a midterm, a property midterm, and it was, it was kind of a doozy. I remember, and I knew this because I talked with, the 2Ls and the 3Ls that were in the same class. So I studied really, really hard for it. And I was so nervous, right? Because law school does that to you. It just makes you nervous and makes you think that you're going to fail everything. And I remember the night before the final, or the midterm, I just broke down crying. I was so stressed out that I broke down crying for a while. And then I composed myself after that and went in the next day. And I think I got like the second highest grade in the class or something, the third highest grade in the class. I did okay. And the whole point of this video is really, emotionally, this is tough. Maybe you're one of those gunners and law school's easy for you and, good for you. But I wasn't one of those guys. So I did try really hard. I was freaked out of my mind. I broke down crying. I know a lot of people who do the same thing because I've relayed this story to other people and they say, yeah, I felt the exact same way. Or, some of them threw up before their first law school exam. Some got diarrhea. It's bad. But realize that this happens to people. And then everyone's okay. And you will be okay too. Maybe you go through the same kind of emotions. Maybe you go through the same type of breakdown. I don't know. But realize that if you do, you're like other people. But also realize that you don't have to. You don't have to stress yourself out so much that you freaking throw up 5 minutes before your exam or you cry the night before your exam. You don't actually have to do that because you're going to be okay. You can back off a little bit and realize that you're going to be fine. I promise you will. Do what you're supposed to, study hard, but you don't need to have a mental breakdown over these things. It's not going to advantage you. And if you're at a law school where that's kind of expected, where the deans kind of say that this stuff is going to happen to you and you just got to deal with it, it might be time to look for another law school. So, okay, just remember, you'll be all right. All right, until next time, thanks.